Plant FAQs. Corydalis Yanhusuo. Corydalis Yanhusuo has piqued my interest over the years, especially given its traditional uses and potential benefits. Whether you're considering adding it to your herbal regimen or simply curious about its effects, I hope this article will clarify some common questions. What is Corydalis Yanhusuo? Corydalis Yanhusuo is a perennial herb native to China. It's part of the poppy family and is often used in traditional Chinese medicine. The roots are the most commonly utilized part of the plant and are believed to have various therapeutic effects. I've found it particularly interesting for its analgesic properties, often cited as a natural pain reliever. What is Corydalis Yanhusuo good for? One of the primary uses of Corydalis Yanhusuo is for pain relief. It's said to be effective for headaches, menstrual cramps, and even joint pain. Beyond pain management, many people, including myself, appreciate its potential calming effects. It may also help alleviate anxiety, making it a versatile option for those seeking natural remedies. Is Corydalis Yanhusuo good for anxiety? I can confidently say that Corydalis Yanhusuo has a reputation for helping with anxiety. While it may not replace prescribed medications, many users report feeling more relaxed after taking it. It's believed to work by influencing certain neurotransmitters in the brain, contributing to a sense of calm. How much Corydalis Yanhusuo to take? Dosage. Determining the right dosage can be tricky, as it varies depending on individual needs and the form of the supplement. Generally, I've noticed that many sources recommend around 1 to 2 grams of the dried root daily. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional to tailor the dosage to your specific situation. Can Corydalis Yanhusuo cause positive drug tests? This is a common concern. As far as my research goes, Corydalis Yanhusuo is not typically known to cause a positive drug test. However, its effects on the body can be similar to some controlled substances, so if you're facing a drug test, it's best to err on the side of caution and consult with a medical professional. Can you combine California poppy with Corydalis Yanhusuo? In my experience, combining California poppy with Corydalis Yanhusuo can enhance their calming effects. Both herbs have relaxing properties and might work synergistically to promote a sense of well-being. However, it's crucial to start with lower doses to assess your body's response. Can you take Incarvilia sinensis with Corydalis Yanhusuo? Incarvilia sinensis is another herb that many find beneficial. While I haven't personally combined them, some herbalists suggest that the two can complement each other well. As always, I recommend checking with a healthcare professional before mixing herbal supplements. What does Corydalis Yanhusuo combine well with? Corydalis Yanhusuo tends to pair well with other calming herbs like chamomile and valerian root. I've enjoyed blending it with lemon balm, as the combination provides a delightful flavor and potential relaxation benefits. Experimenting with different herbs can lead to pleasant results, but be sure to monitor your body's response. Where to buy Corydalis Yanhusuo? Finding quality Corydalis Yanhusuo can be a bit of a quest. I usually recommend reputable herbal shops or online retailers specializing in herbal supplements. Look for brands that provide third-party testing to ensure product purity and potency. Common problems with Corydalis Yanhusuo. While many people benefit from Corydalis Yanhusuo, it can cause side effects in some cases. Mild digestive upset has been reported, so if you're trying it for the first time, it might be wise to start with a lower dosage. Always pay attention to how your body reacts. Is Corydalis Yanhusuo toxic? In general, Corydalis Yanhusuo is considered safe when used appropriately. However, I've read reports of adverse reactions in rare cases, particularly with excessive dosages. Always stick to recommended amounts and consult with a healthcare provider if you have any concerns. How to care for Corydalis Yanhusuo. If you're thinking about growing Corydalis Yanhusuo, it prefers well-drained soil and partial shade. Regular watering is essential, but be cautious not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot. It's a low-maintenance plant that can thrive in various conditions. Can you grow Corydalis Yanhusuo indoors? Yes, you can grow Corydalis Yanhusuo indoors, provided you offer it adequate light and humidity. I've found that it does best in a bright, indirect light environment. Just make sure to maintain the right soil moisture, as indoor air can often be drier. In conclusion, Corydalis Yanhusuo offers a range of potential benefits, particularly for pain relief and anxiety. Whether you choose to use it alone or combine it with other herbs, it's essential to approach it thoughtfully. Always consult a healthcare provider for personalized advice. especially if you're considering it for medicinal purposes.